Welcome to our quick demonstration of the plug-and-play replacement for your existing RV thermostats. Starting up. When you switch on the thermostat, you'll be taken to the controller selection screen. Most of the RV thermostats available in the market will be listed here. Select the thermostat you are replacing. For this demonstration, I'm selecting the Dometic 3-wire thermostat. Click the Finish button at the top, Heating Equipment Selection. Now select your heating equipment. For this example, I'm choosing Furnace as my Heat 1 and Heat Pump as my Heat 2. Select Not Applicable as Heat 3. If you only have one heat source, select Not Applicable for Heat 2 and Heat 3. That's it. Click Submit. Your new thermostat will now mimic the Dometic single-zone thermostat. WalTech is the world's first universally compatible thermostat, and this one device can replace most RV single and multi-zone thermostats. For more information, check out the website Compatibility list to see if your thermostat is compatible with WalTech. Please visit the Quick Help section to watch the complete installation video.